Bro, I kick your ass, bro. Like...
Hit a button, Morty. Give me a beat. Oh man. Okay. All right. Got trap jumping like fraud. 2, 2, 3, leaving ball head. Yeah, spray the whole block, leave it all red. Duck off spot, can't go fit.
Mad Mars Cars back with another one. Yeah, man, like and subscribe, ring that bell if you haven't, man. Like and subscribe, ring that bell if you haven't, man. Man, my uncle just found the El Camino. Y'all know he do one the El Camino. It's red. I don't know. It's just like the one that I was on ATL with the movie with T.I. in the skating movie. Red, just like that Monte Carlo pretty, man. So really, his fleet almost done. My uncle fleet is almost done. So y'all stay tuned in, man. Don't forget to like, subscribe, ring that bell. Don't forget to like and subscribe and ring that bell, man. I'm ready to go pull up on this Camino, man. See what's going on. See if we gonna get it. You know what I'm saying? It was in a bad accident, so you know I gotta look through the whole car to make sure there's no frame damage and all, man. We gotta stay tuned in, man. Mad Mars Cars.
Like your numbers,
Damn show.
I'm
supposed to be making a video, man. Still like this here, man. Camino, man.
I got transmission hooked up on this motherfucker. That's it.
Yeah, let's swap.
Yeah, hey, you got lucky with that shit though.
Yeah, let's swap.
Hey, bro, I sat in here for damn near 2 months calling the junkyards and shit. They'll have them. The nigga from the truck get that nigga like, oh, that shit sold.
Yeah.
That shit sold. We know it's on the truck. We don't even get to put it online. But I figured out how it is. Nigga told me, bro, they got people that come to the junkyard every fucking day.
Yeah.
And they got numbers right there.
Yeah.
And then as soon as they know that shit coming in, they gonna hit that little piece of paper.
And my partner called me for the My partner called me for the engine for that truck. Cause man, every time you come by, it already be stripped. It already be stripped. That's that money to come out small. But yeah, no LS swap. 6-0 or 5-3 or 6-0.
That big room, they got a lot of, even when I had 350 in there, it was still room in that motherfucker.
Yeah.
I'm just like, man. Then I had one car that I do it, then the LS swap on, right?
Yeah.
98 Capri Classic, right? I did that shit, put it back on carburetor. I gave it to my cousin, running. Put the dual fans in it, everything. But I had a switch on the fan.
Yeah.
This dumbass nigga, guess what he sold the car for?
What?
$200.
What?
And guess what wrong with it?
What it was? 96?
Yep, 96.
No.
LS swap.
He didn't do that.
Carburetor, everything. He couldn't figure out what a battery kept dying. I said, bro, it's a wire touching with that damn switch.
Yeah.
This nigga sold it to the junk man for $200. I said, bro, I kick your ass, bro. Like, you know how many people out here want cars?
He tried that.
Like, it's easier to fix a car than it is to get one. I'm like, bro, all you have to do is come up with like at least $200. You goddamn, you would have been good. But nigga, you done did all this extra old shit. Now this nigga still ain't got no car. Gave it to him. He was driving my grandma car around. I bought her a new car. Like, nah, you not got my grandma car. That's all.
Yeah. Yeah. Dope. Like in the picture, I can tell that they were towed up right here. This dope. It's dope. Yeah, sir. Got 2020 tag on the main thing still. Yeah. Right here, look. Go inside again, man. Y'all know I go crazy this thing. Know about go crazy. Y'all know about go crazy. Y'all know we is. No flow pan. That's a new flow pan looking like. The flow shit. What they doing? They'll put the float, the photo shifter.
I was gonna do that too.
Yeah.
That's why I did here.
I don't even see what that went on the collar. Yeah.
Oh no. They took that bitch out.
Yeah.
They took it out.
Flow shift out.
Uh-huh.